Irish yogurt's Clonakilty. Try a spoonful of delicious.
Eunice Power is in the kitchen. Eunice, what are we making today? And we are using the air fryer all week, of course.
I'm making something that will bring you joy, Dahi.
Oh, what's that now, Eunice?
Yeah. Jalapeno yogurt.
Okay.
Tabbouleh made with freekeh.
Tabbouleh, cade tabbouleh.
I'll explain to you in a second.
Okay.
Okay, all will be all be revealed.
Yeah.
And halloumi coated in sesame cooked in the deep fryer.
Love it.
Not deep fryer, air fryer.
Air fryer.
Air fryer.
Air fryer.
Just
okay.
have deep fryer on
I
the
know,
brain.
yeah.
Yeah, so tabbouleh usually is made using bulgur wheat, but today I'm using freekeh, which is it's different. It's a cracked green wheat.
Okay, can I see this?
Yeah, but you can.
Freekeh.
I got it.
You call it freekeh?
Yeah, freak like freekeh.
Okay, freekeh. Yeah.
And that's a Palestinian one. I got in that Palestinian shop across the way. Now you could use wild rice instead if you wanted to.
Yeah.
And again, with the freekeh, the wild rice, you put in about 3 times the amount of water. Not wild rice, any kind of rice, basmati rice, whatever. Or you can use couscous, you can use tabbouleh, you can use bulgur wheat. And I'm just using that today because I heard that it brings great joy and happiness to people.
Good. Yeah. That's what we want around here. So
exactly.
How do you cook it or what do you do with it?
Okay, so what you do is you pop it into a pot of water, boiling water, and you cook it for 20 minutes until I cooked it a bit early, let it cool down.
So it's
and
like
it comes
rice?
Out. Yeah, it's like rice, and it just kind of splits.
Like rice, couscous, kind of quinoa-ish.
Exactly. Oh, now you see quinoa. Wow, we're really,
I've come a long way, Eunice.
You've come a long way, yeah. Now I'm going to pop some tomatoes in here, some cherry tomatoes.
Okay.
And then I've also chopped up a red onion, which I'm going to put in.
Now, did you leave that cool down, Eunice? Or
I did. No, I let it go cold.
Okay.
And actually, I ran it under a little bit of cool water to just kind of to refresh it and to cool it down. And then I forked it through with a little bit of, well, just with my fork, actually.
Freekeh. I've never heard of this before.
I know. Well, you see, this is, that's what we're all about here, is introducing new things.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to make a bit of a dressing to go with it. So I squeezed a lemon.
Yeah.
I'm going to finish squeezing the other half there. A lemon, and I'm just going to sieve this in because just to catch the little pips, because I wouldn't like to upset you.
Thank you, Eunice.
No, it's okay.
Time somebody started minding me around here.
Yeah, no, all about you. And
don't be laughing, Eunice. This is serious now.
And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And a tablespoon of honey. And these are all ingredients you'll have in your kitchen. Now, you may not necessarily have the freekeh, but you will have rice, or you'll have some bulgur wheat.
Where can you get freekeh? Can you get it in supermarkets?
Well, you can buy it in Blasta in Dungarvan if you want to come down and visit us. Yeah.
And can you get it in other shops, though?
You can. You can get it in sort of, you can get it in good supermarkets.
Okay.
And but generally health food shops. It's not sort of a mainline ingredient, But now I'm just whisking up some honey, lemon juice, and olive oil. Putting a nice bit of salt on here. A little bit of pepper.
Lovely. So is there something in the air fryer at the moment as well, Eunice?
There is.
Okay. No, just checking.
Are you reminding me?
No, I'm not. No, I'm just thinking the whole thing is about the air fryer.
Yeah.
Thinking,
no, I love that you said there's something in the air fryer.
Okay.
There is. Yeah, there is something in there.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put some pomegranate seeds in here as well.
Love it.
And you know what? You don't have to. Again, you don't have to put these in. You can put spring onions in if you want to. But they're kind of these are happy. These make you happy. Actually, these are great aphrodisiacs. Can't even say the word. Yeah. Apparently, love apples.
Hang on a second. A bit.
Better check it out, yeah.
And how many of them do you have to eat, Eunice?
A couple of bowls of them, probably, yeah.
Bring in the box from there, lads, will you?
Yeah. Now, so here I've got some coriander and parsley, and I'm just going to slice it up. And we'll pop that in as well.
There's loads of flavours going in here, Eunice.
There is, and you know what? When you taste the end result, you'll see, like, it's really, really worth it,
Lovely.
So I'm just going to slice this up here. So I took them off the stem, and then I put the stems aside, and I use that in dressings and things at home.
Lovely.
So we don't like to waste anything around here.
No, certainly not. I'm wondering, where do the jalapenos come into it, Eunice?
I'm going to show you now in just a second. He's very patient, Dahi here.
I know, yeah, but, like... I'm just wondering, that's all.
OK, I'm just wondering, Mammy. Now, OK, here we've got the Greek yoghurt from Irish yogurt Clonakilty. And I find this is a brilliant vehicle for flavour.
Yes.
And when you have this, it's kind of nice and dry. The halloumi, when it comes out of the air fryer, it's It's lovely, but it's quite dense, you know? So you want something lovely and creamy and delicious underneath, and that's...
the silkiness of that.
Yeah, and that's exactly what we've got here. Like, it's just the nicest yogurt. So
And I like putting the jalapeno with it because they can be fairly full on, so this is going to cool it down a bit.
Yeah, it will. It's just an amazing flavour.
Yeah.
But the Irish yogurt, Greek yogurt is so thick and creamy. It's lovely. And then a little bit of lemon juice in here as well.
Lovely.
Okay, and we're just going to mix that up and allow the flavours to infuse for a second. Now, in my recipe, I said blitz it up in a food processor, but actually I think it's nicer when it's just stirred in. So next then, we have our...
Halloumi.
Halloumi.
Lovely.
Hello, halloumi.
Hello, halloumi.
And
right.
So the halloumi I'm going to pop here in sesame seeds. So I was in Boston last weekend.
Yeah.
And I ate loads of halloumi.
Yeah, it's good. I love it.
In fact, I thought the vegetarian and vegan option in America was amazing.
It was very good, yeah.
Yeah, really good. Really strong on that
you don't have to put that into anything before you put it into the seeds or anything.
No, you don't. But what you do need to do is you need to dry it off a little bit.
Okay.
So it's not too liquidy.
I get rid of all this here.
Okay, so thanks, Dahi. Now, I've turned the air fryer on, so I'm literally just going to toss these in the...
How long will they go into the air fryer for you?
About 15 minutes at 180, or even 10 minutes. It depends on the brand. This brand here now is at 10 minutes at 180. And I'm pushing them in little kind of fingers. So this is a block of halloumi here.
Yeah.
And again, you can get this in a supermarket anywhere. Like years ago, you couldn't buy this for love nor money, and it's great.
No,
now.
you can.
You can. Yeah, and
I think they're just so tasty.
They are.
If you have a lovely salad like you have here with this unit.
Oh yeah, it's going to be extra tasty today.
Greek yogurt as well with the jalapenos.
Yeah, but the jalapenos aren't too they're good. Okay, and this is the one I did earlier. So this is what I'm looking at. And now I'm going to just finish all of this off.
So here as well. Do you want the pomegranates? Will I put them away?
Yeah. No,
you want them? Okay.
Yeah, I want them.
Lovely.
So you're great.
You know, tomorrow as well, Lily Higgins will be in the kitchen with another air fryer dish. This time, crispy lamb pittas.
Really great to get chefs like you, Eunice, to show us kind of these very special dishes for the air fryer, because often you think it's just kind of put a burger in or put a chicken, that kind of way.
And actually, this particular dish, you can use chicken like in sesame as well. It's very, very simple.
I love the salad,
or just a salad.
I'm looking forward to that jalapeno and the Greek yogurt tomorrow. I like that now. I like a bit of spice in my life, Maura,
I do know you're spicy. You are, though, hey?
No.
Spicy guy.
Oh, thank you, Maura.
Hey, Jesus.
Seriously? Seriously?
Okay, so I'm going to pop these around here.
Oh, yes.
And actually, I find this kind of rich enough, the halloumi.
Do you like halloumi, Maura, do you?
You know what? It's something that I don't eat a lot of, but my sister's a vegetarian, and I've often noticed if you're out, they'll always order it. But it is lovely. And as Eunice, you were saying there when you were in Boston, like, it's a really good, because often, vegetarian meals, there's a lot of crunch, but not a lot of that protein feeling in them.
Yeah, and you need. I think you need something that's a bit kind of a little bit of a bite to it. Yeah, exactly. And I'm just going to put some more just a little bit more coriander.
Coriander, yeah. Cilantro,
here. Is that what you call it?
What's that called in America?
No, around here.
Cilantro.
And then, if anybody was passing the my road this morning and saw me hopping out of the car, I have a lovely neighbour, and outside Sheila, and outside her house, she has lots of this. It's the first of the wild leek. So this is a three-cornered leek. You see there, three-cornered?
Yeah, lovely.
And we're going to put some of that on as well. And actually, just notice you don't have plates there for this.
No, that's okay. No.
We can actually just eat the whole
We can, of course.
Yeah. No.
We put this into the middle of the table.
Yeah. Is Brendan waving at me?
Yes,
Brendan is waving at you.
He's jumping up and down, actually,
okay.
in front of you at the moment. Yeah. There you go, Jeff.
Yeah, he's doing a little jig over there. Yeah, okay.
Let's have a little taste.
Let's have a taste. I'm looking forward to this now, I have to say, Eunice. Air fryer.
Where are your spicy things there for you there?
It's really nice having that kind of entertainment, isn't it, on the other side?
Basic. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
As long as he doesn't approach.
Yeah.
Then it'd be scary.
Eunice, this is beautiful.
On the flip, but what do you think of the jalapeno yogurt?
Love it.
It really takes it, doesn't it? It really takes the flavour.
We have to go, Eunice. I'm sorry, we're out of